on to the application demo. So this is the application. It's currently hosted on Streamlit. So all it asks you to do is, like, all the fields are optional that are mentioned here. Like any particular food you have in mind. Like you have been to some restaurant, some really good food you ate. You can write that food name down, or what groceries you have, what's the cooking time, and if there's any special request or any allergies you have, you can write it down. Many a times when we write the prompt, these all things don't come into your mind when you're asking for questions. So if these are predefined, at least someone reading this will go through each of them and say that, hey, I don't want this, I want that. Maybe they're customers, maybe they're not. So to run this application, all you need is an API key from Google that you can just get by clicking on this box. If you're logged into your Google account, it will directly take you to the page. You just have to click on create API key. Once it is created, you can copy it from here, and that's it. You paste it here. You give the prompt. You want dal tadka. You want, say, you have 2 onions. You want it to be done in 30 minutes. Right? Let's see what kind of recipe does the Google generative AI produce. So as you can see, the response is in a particular format. It's not changing every time. It's saying that the recipe name, saying the ingredients that are required, and cooking time, preparation time, and also the instructions, step-by-step instructions on how to do it. Suppose you don't have any particular utensils, or you have only some utensils, you can mention that as well. And the query will modify itself and produce the results accordingly.